To do this type of trend on Instagram and TikTok, you need to have Capcut and a VPN if you're from India. If you're from India, you have to first connect your VPN and then after that click on the link given below in the description. After clicking the link, you will be directed to this page. Now slide up and click on Use Template in Capcut. Now click on Use Template and add your 10 photos from gallery. After adding photos, click on Preview. Now check your video and then click on Export. Now to change your audio, go back to New Project and add the video you exported. Now tap on Video and turn down the video volume to 0. Now click on Add Audio and then add the audio you want to add in it. If you want my audio, you can get this from link given below in the description. Now check your video and then export. Now you're ready to share. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for all latest updates.